Oh, Joey, you're so hilarious.
Who's Julie texting?
Oh, nobody.
I can send text too, you know. This'll show her.
Leo, calm down with the emojis. Leo?
Yeah, what's up? I look good, huh?
A real-life emoji? How did this guy get in here? Whoa! It's my remote! And what's happening over there? My lamp! Make it stop!
Shut up! I did not! I only spoke to him for a minute. This is so not cool. Please stop. You're messing up my hair. I just had it styled. He's kind of cute, I suppose. I'm not gonna ask him out. Okay, maybe I will. Eat with your mouth closed. Good talking manners. What you doing tonight? Wanna hang out? Stop! This is hurting. Ugh, disgusting. I'll call you back. My desk! It's a mess! I better clean it up before Mom sees it. Maybe I can use this. Great! My shirt is ruined! What are you doing? Anything but that! This is so easy and quick. And done. Yuck. What's going on in here? Mom! Better hide the stain. There. She'll never know. Everything seems okay. Nothing happening in here. Good. I'm so proud of you. Thanks, Mom. I'm looking for a new job.
Wait, is this chemistry class? It's a very simple structure. Boring. Let's get a selfie. Oh, okay. What's going on back there? Put that phone away right now! Quick, give me it!
I'm just trying to have some fun.
Chemistry isn't supposed to be fun. As I was saying. Wow! What a clean mouth! He must floss. Let's partay!
I know. I'll make my own entertainment. And I can use this gum. Luckily, I'm an excellent shot. Searching for a target. Target acquired.
Oh, great idea! Okay, I'm ready. Let's do this!
Fire!
I'm flying!
What was that? Oh, so pretty. I'm gonna hang out here for a while. Jared! That's it! Detention!
It wasn't me. It was Lizzie. Honest.
Oh, no way, it wasn't me! I need to get this out. Whoa, steady! I'll need to hold on to this hair. It's stuck. Ugh, I think I'm trapped. Ouch! Got it. This is disgusting. I'm so angry.
I've no idea what you're talking about.
Get this off me. Ugh. Hey, a little help?
Could this class get any more boring? I need something to hold me over till lunch. It isn't even halfway over. That tastes good. Some would say it's like a party in your mouth. I'm suddenly quite happy. Bet I could blow a bubble as big as my head. Whoa! Is that a face in there? Freaky! I must be chewing too hard. Anyway. Ooh. Chew! Whoa!
What just happened?
Yikes! This isn't good. Maybe I can just grab it. Oh, it's really lodged in there. Wish I had some peanut butter.
Huh?
Oh, that thing's getting way too comfortable in there. What am I gonna do now? I suppose I could cut it out. Is that too crazy?
Things are getting a little hairy over here.
I'm gonna have to be slick here. Don't make any sudden movements.
Chew!
I think I cut way too much!
What's happening?
Oh, you're so beautiful, Julie. My sweet. Wow! She can't ever find out about this. I'll never say a word.
is my hair.
Beautiful? Of course.
Okay, I'll see you then. It'll be fun. Bye-bye. Your pasta, madame. Bon appetit. Ooh, yummy. It looks so good. I need a picture for the gram. Okay, just one more. Hey, is that a camera? Hold on, let me get my good side. Jeez! If I had known I'd have done something with my hair. Maybe wore something a little more sparkly. Wait, I'll try another pose. How's this? That should do it. Okay, not the greatest. Nope. Ugh, that's terrible. Delete. I need something else. The sauce. What's that? Put the sauce down. No, I can do better. Just one more. No! You're ruining my outfit. Much better. Look at me. How do you like these poses? I hope you get no likes. Still looks awful. Trash. Nope. Whatever. I'm too hungry. You monster! I have a family! Take that! Huh, how do you like it? Not so nice, is it?
Hey, babe. You, got a little something on your face.
I have to go to the bathroom.
Wait, it's not that bad. Is it something I said? I'm so bored.
Don't eat me! Nom nom nom! Hello? My tooth is agony. Can I come in?
I was, just practicing. Please, take a seat.
You've gotta help me.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it. This'll be a piece of cake. Open wide.
No way!
Don't be silly.
Stay back!
Fine.
Eee!
Works every time. I think I can see something.
There's a party in here and you're invited.
I need a closer look.
Hey lady, that's a little bright. Come on, you're ruining the atmosphere. Luckily, I came prepared.
Let me think. Got it! A blast of water might clear it.
Whoa, easy! I already had a shower today.
That didn't work. I need something a little more… industrial. Aha!
Seriously?
I remember what happened last time. There were teeth everywhere. The tweezers should do the trick. Here goes.
Woohoo! Miss May!
This is tricky. Ugh, I thought I had it.
Lego! Not cool, lady! I ain't leaving! Ah!
Got it! That's a big piece of candy.
Wow, that feels better already. It's a miracle. Thank you so much.
Just doing my job.
Woof woof! Get back!
Remember, you're a professional.